Hello my lovelies, I hope you're all well. So today is the second part of my Pandora Jewellery haul, what I got for my birthday from my sister. These are the charms she bought me. So again, it comes in another Pandora bag. These ones she put in boxes. So, hang on. So she let me pick out 6 charms. Some of them are Christmas charms. I think 3 are Christmas charms and then 3 are just general charms that I really was interested in having in my collection. So, like I said, she put them in these pink boxes. So I'm just going to go through. I don't know what's in what box. I'm just going to go through and show you. I'm going to try and use this. This came off my Pandora Jewellery box. It's to put your charms on. It doesn't always work. Right, so we've got like a Christmas charm. These are Christmas charms, I think. And then there's also one that could be birthday or Christmas. So what I'll do is I'll try and get as good as a shot, like in the video here. And if not, then I've took some pictures as well for my YouTube channel. So we'll just started with me to go on now. Right, just look how cute that is. I mean, yeah, you probably have to zoom in. Can I get any close? The closer I'm getting, the more blurry it will become. And then it's got a little bow. And then on the back it says, the gift of love. So should be, it's got a heart. So that's that. Like I said, I will try and insert some pictures as I'm talking about the charms. So that's one of them. And at Christmas, I just love hot chocolate. Does anyone else? More of a winter thing, I think. I don't even necessarily think it's Christmas. So it's this hot chocolate and it's got like a candy cane here. And it's in a heart mug. Doesn't say anything on the back. It just says it's silver. And yeah, it's just, I mean, come on. How pretty is it? And with me being a Disney lover, I think if you're a Disney lover, you'll understand why. This is definitely one of my favourites. So it's the Mickey Mouse wreath head. So you can see all the different colours here. Yeah, that's probably about as close as I can get without it being all blurry. But that is stunning. Thanks, sis. I'm going to tag you. Right, so the second box. So let's get into that. Right, so this was one of the more expensive ones, and you're probably thinking, why? There's nothing to it. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's candy cane. It's very, very Christmas themed, and then it's got a lot of detailing on the sides, which I'm not really going to be able to show you. Can I show you the other side? Wait, let's just do this. Just so tiny. Yeah, you can see the detailing a bit more there. Like I said, I'll try and get photos for you guys to look at. So that's all the Christmas charms. Now we've just got 2 more. We've got one Disney one and then another one. So we'll look at the Disney one first. So when I did this for my YouTube channel, you really couldn't see the stars that are in it. But it's, oh, you can see it a little bit there. Like, I think the blue, aren't they? Kind of shining a little bit. And then on the back it's got an inscription. A dream is a wish your heart makes. I don't know if the blue stars or like white. I think the white. So that's that one. Just one more to go. And then this one is going to go so beautiful on my new bracelet that my lovely friend Naomi has sent to me. Just because of what it is. So we've got this glass Murano bead, and then on the corners it's got those lovely stars. You can see it, can't you? The stars there. So yeah, I just think it's going to go really, really nice with the bracelet. And I can't wait to put some of the other charms on. Like, the intention is for these Christmas charms eventually to have a full bracelet. Probably this bracelet that I'm wearing here, to have a full bracelet of charms. I recently got this. I don't think I've shown you. Where are you? Oh, here. This reindeer here. I don't think I showed you it. I didn't think I was going to get it because Pandora sold out, but I got it from somewhere else. It says Pandora on the back and then something about the reindeer's nose shining. It is super cute. So yeah, eventually I do want to have a full bracelet of charms. I mean, I can split it into sections. I think at the moment I've got, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I've got Hope and an Angel, so that could be 8. And then I've got those 3 from my sister, so 11. So I can definitely split it into 3 sections and just make it so this bracelet doesn't have a lot on it. I'm totally undecided on what I'm going to do, but I will show you the finished design probably in the next couple of days, actually, because I know you guys do like Pandora jewellery hauls and things like that. So I'll leave it here though. I'm rambling, and a rambling Andrea is not what you want to see. Yeah, I'll see you all soon, guys. Bye.